So dear students, we are doing now the concept that how to represent rational numbers on number line, and I will tell you three ways. Okay, three ways means three patterns. The first one which we are going to do is when you have a normal proper rational number. Proper rational number, you can call it like where you have only like 2 by 7, or you can also have minus 2 by 7, or you can also have like 3 by 8, or you can also have minus 3 by 8. Like you can see here, these are all proper. Like जैसे proper fraction होता है, that is why that is the same proper rational number where numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, numerator is smaller than denominator. If you will see the board thoroughly, you will see that it is again in a proper form. This is also a proper form. This is also a proper form. This is also a proper form. Only just negative and positive ka concept is there. Only negative and positive ka concept is there. Otherwise, rest of the things are exactly same. So for that, what will you do? Just you need to see, draw always a number line, because you are knowing we are doing the concept of number line only. Then you are knowing in between there will be always 0, because 0 is neutral, and right side you will get the positive one, and the left side you will get the negative one, which you are studying from right from junior classes only, है ना? Like class 6th में and 7th में you have studied this, that left will be for negative and right will be for positive. Now let us see how to represent this. Always remember, beta, just see the denominator. Here if you will see the denominator, it is 7. This is also 7. So these both can be represented on one number line. Okay? Remember always, same denominator can be represented on same number line only. Okay? Because the base is same. Now look at here, how will you do? Always remember, whatever is the denominator, you will always begin with that only. Like for example, if it is 2 by 7, so the first one will be 1 by 7, and the 0 will become 0 by 7. So 0 will become 0 by 7, then this side 1 by 7, second one will be 2 by 7, third one will be 3 by 7, fourth one will be 4 by 7, then 5 by 7, then 6 by 7, and this is 7 by 7. And you are knowing 7 by 7 means you are talking about one whole. Okay, now if you have to move beyond that, you can also go beyond that also, like 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. So whatever is the question, what is given in the question to represent this, you can also take that. ठीक है, इसमें याद रखिएगा प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर सभी इसी तरीके से सॉल्व करना है आपको. ठीक है, now move on to for negative. Negative also will go like that only. 0 by 7 हो गया आपका beginning वाला. Then start from here.
You have to write it.
Yes, yes, you have to write it down. Minus 1 by 7. This is minus 2 by 7. This is minus 3 by 7. This is minus 4 by 7. This is minus 5 by 7. This is minus 6 by 7. This is minus 7 by 7. So which is minus 7 by 7? This is minus 1. Because when you will cancel minus 7 with 7, you will get it minus 1. And then again move from here, minus 8 by 7, that is minus 9 by 7, and so on. So this is like number line. Now whatever you want to represent. For example, here the question was 2 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. So I am highlighting it with B, and this I am highlighting with A, because this was given the first one and this one was given the second one. This is completed. Now you can see there are so many numbers which are already represented over here. So you can take any one. In your NCERT, the questions are very, very easy for number line. But remember, it is not necessary the question which is written on your NCERT that will only come. So mixed can also come, normal fraction wala can also come, improper fraction can also come, okay, and negative and positive though can come only, because you are talking about rational number. So always remember, take care of number line. One thing, always make the straight number line, use only pencil for it. Third thing, the gap between two consecutive numbers. Now look at your 0/7 and 1/7 के बीच में whatever the gap you will take, the same gap you have to take between each and every number. For example, 2/7 and 3/7 के बीच में भी same, 4/7 and 5/7 के बीच में भी same. Like always remember, the gap should always be equal in on number line. One gap should not be larger than another one is smaller. This type of pattern should not follow. Okay. And another thing, always both the sides make the arrowheads because you are talking about number line. And number line can be extended in both the direction endlessly. Yes. So students, we have just now done it proper rational number. Now let's talk about some improper. For example, suppose the question is -15/7. Okay. Suppose the question is -15/7. The same process exactly what we have done it for improper, proper one. Now, how will you do that? The number line, it will be now I because I don't need positive. I don't need positive. I just need negative. Okay. I don't need positive more. I just need negative. And if I only need negative, then positive side, I am making it less. Okay. Yes. So I was talking about how to represent improper rational number on number line. You have to first see that whether it is positive or it is negative. If you see the question, this is negative. So when you are having the negative rational number, you are knowing you don't need positive too much. So for that, what I will do, I will not make the side of positive much larger. Now what I will do, the denominator is 7. So I will start doing from 1/7 only. Whatever is denominator, you will always start by that number only. So for example, this is 0. It will become now 0/7. And now let us start for the negative. -2 by -3/7, -4/7, -5/7, -6/7, -7/7. -7/7 means -1. Then once again, -8/7, -9/7, 11/7, -13/7, -14/7, and now -15/7. And I am taking one more here, -16/7. यहाँ तक आ रहा है मेरे स्पेस पे, ठीक है? So -14/7 is -2, and this is now mine -15/7. So for exactly same like which I did for proper. The same will be done for improper also. So this I have completed right now. Recording and explain you something. Yes. Now listen now. As you all know, we have completed proper. We have completed improper. And the last condition is mixed. When the question is in mixed. Now suppose there is a question like 3 whole 1/2 and you have to represent this on number line. What will you do? You just need to first without a sign. Remember, first you have to just only convert. How will you convert? It will give you 7/2. Now you are already knowing how to represent 7/2. Okay, so 7/2 कैसे represent करना है वो आपको पहले से by. What will you do in that case? You have to just convert again. Leave the sign of minus. First you convert. 3 5s are 15. 15 1 16. 16 upon 5. Now put the sign. The sign was minus. So this is now minus 16 upon 5. Now minus 16 upon 5 बिल्कुल वैसे ही रिप्रेजेंट होगा जैसे अभी हमने किया था minus 15 upon 7. Now only this is the process for doing number line question.